कमरे में एक आदमी है मॉडर्न अफसाने, जो मैं बहुत मुतासिर हो गया उस अफसाने से, जो कन्वेंशनल मेथोडोलॉजी यूज नहीं करते। एक आदमी को फांसी देनी है, 14 जजेस आर देयर, एक कमरे में 14 आदमी है, जज ने बुलाए, जो ये 14 आदमी डिसाइड करेंगे वही। अफसाना देखिए क्या है, कितना खूबसूरत है और किस नवियत से लिखा गया है। 13 बोलते हैं हमें दूसरा काम है, हम लिखेंगे, इसको फांसी दे दो, खत्म, बात 2 मिनट में खत्म हो जाएगा। अफसाने की बात कर रहे हैं। एक आदमी बोलते हैं नहीं जी, मैं तो इसके खिलाफ हूं। He speaks against 13 different opinions until he gets 13 people to say no, and finally says, I am the one who says he must be killed. Your camera, your plot is only a single room. तो इस अफसाने को अगर आप मॉडर्न अफसाना नहीं कहेंगे तो क्या कहेंगे? तो हमें actually you have to break the rules. You have to break the rules. If you want to go ahead, break the rules. Right? So that you will be a dynamic writer. If you follow the convention, beginning, then compare, then climax, and follow the action, and it becomes a very rudiment of it. I hope we will help each other in correcting and breaking the rules to create a new history. Like if you talk of ghazal, you know better the history of the ghazal. It was a flowery kind of praising the girls, and then check out where it was reached. It is nowadays ghazal is a more political analytical piece. It's a social activity now. It has become more a daily routine. So, taking your example of Gulmarg and Rajasthan, actually these are the symbols. If you have read Collaborator, you will have seen Kashmir, the way he has used the symbols of Kashmir. So what do we say if I say Shalimar? Don't take it as a garden. Is a lover's heart, is a mother's yearning, is a sister's yearning, is a conflict. Right? So we have to understand the state of mind of other. Now I want to focus something here. Please, I need your attention. Unless and until you know the state of the mind of the author, right, you're not doing justice to his work. And the problem for us is we cannot actually have the access to the author to know the state of the mind of the author. Because we need two important things. One is we have to check the literature part through annotations and denotations. If we take denotative part into consideration, we are taking only the alphabets and vocabulary. If you want to take connotative meaning, you have to be a good student of philosophy. And before coming to the conclusion, philosophers say philosophy is yet in infancy. You cannot reach the conclusion. So, वो खत्मी रहा, वो final decision, I think nobody can make a final decision. The beauty of the literature is it is open. It can have thousands of interpretations till you reach to the. You might have read a very famous poem, apple picking. After apple picking, is in 12th class. When Robert Frost was asked about to give the briefing of the poem, had more than 100 interpretations. He says, I never say so. It's the interpretation of the people. That says, my God, if my piece has such a potential, I should keep writing. So, as a writer, I will say there are so many hurdles, like our young writer says. But the question is, if you are not ready to tackle them, if you are ready to take the challenges, you are not a good writer. I know I am a member of the guild, Jammu and Kashmir Fiction Writers Guild. I request all of in the audience who so write Urdu Afsana, you are welcome to my guild. We'll give you a platform, we'll give you a publication, we'll give you a public, we will give you a listening. I invite all of the Urdu Fiction Writers to Kashmir Guild. I was introduced to guild some year back. Now, mashallah, we have had 113th session on the coming Saturday. The people who introduced me are nowhere in the guild. Why? Because you have to listen to criticism. And your critique is Professor Madhush. And if you are reading your piece before Zarif Ahmad Zarif and Shok Sahab, you must have potential to speak. And then when they say, you have to be ready as if you are being killed. So, leaving the criticism apart, unless and until you evaluate your point of view, good writers have good critics. What has Shakespeare made so famous? Because of critics. So indeed, if the painting is on the wall, right, modern painting shows a canvas with a red cross, nothing else. And if you beg the author, the writer, or if you beg before the artist, you say, I won't say anything because I won't stoop down. I want you to come up and come to my expectation to know the state of mind. Similarly, the poem or this piece, this beautiful piece, right? Even we have 50 people in this room. If we start writing, we'll shock the writer. We'll shock the writer. I'm saying it because we have different interpretations. Somebody will take it in psychoanalysis. Somebody will take it as a conflict. Somebody will take it as a personal note. So that is the beauty of the literature. I think we'll have to give enough time, enough flexibility to the writers to know, and there's always a book behind a book. This is only the projection of the mind. So the exact book lies in the mind of